Welcome to CloudCostChefs, the show that turns sky-high cloud bills into bite-sized savings. Every week, we'll dish out no-fluff news, battle-tested recipes, and automation hacks to keep your workloads lean, fast, and budget-friendly. But today's extra special. It's the very first episode of this brand new podcast, and I'm absolutely fired up to launch it with you. Aprons on, Cloud Cost Warriors. Let's get cooking. Think of this as your weekly dose of cloud cost optimization served hot and ready to digest. We're going to cut through the noise, skip the boring stuff, and get straight to what matters, saving you serious money on your cloud bills. Today, we've got an absolutely insane inaugural menu packed with flavor. We're talking massive funding rounds, AI-powered optimization breakthroughs, and some game-changing tools that'll make your CFO do a happy dance. On today's inaugural menu, North Cloud just raised $5 million to revolutionize real-time optimization, Cloud Zero secured a whopping $56 million Series C, and we've got some absolutely delicious optimization principles that'll save you up to 75% on your cloud bill. So grab your aprons, Cloud Cost Warriors. Let's get cooking in the Cloud Cost Chef's kitchen. First up, let's talk about the absolutely insane funding feast happening right now in cloud cost optimization. Cloud Zero just closed a mind-blowing $56 million Series C round. That's serious money, people. Led by Bluecrest Capital with MongoDB jumping in, this company has been cooking up triple-digit revenue growth for 4 straight years. And here's the kicker that should get you fired up. They're projecting cloud costs to hit $2 trillion by 2030. That's trillion with a T. Cloud cost warriors. What makes this so tasty? Cloud Zero isn't just building another finance dashboard. They're embedding cost optimization directly into engineering workflows. We're talking Jira integrations, Slack notifications, the whole 9 yards. Finally, someone gets it. Optimization needs to happen where the work gets done, not in some separate finance silo. But wait, there's more. Northought Cloud just secured $5 million in Series A funding, and their secret sauce is absolutely delicious: AI-powered real-time optimization. These folks are promising dynamic resource allocation that actually learns and adapts. Think of it as having a sous chef that never sleeps, constantly adjusting your cloud infrastructure like a master chef, perfecting a signature dish. What's got me excited? They're targeting both enterprise and MSP segments, which means this isn't just for the big players. If you're managing costs for multiple clients or juggling complex multi-cloud environments, this could be your new best friend in the cloud kitchen. Now, let's talk about Flexera One's latest update. This is some seriously well-seasoned stuff. They've rolled out dynamic dimension value mapping for cost allocation rules. I know that sounds like technical jargon, but here's why this is absolutely game-changing. No more manual rule updates when your organization changes. Picture this: you're running a restaurant chain, and every time you open a new location, you don't have to manually update your inventory system. That's what Flexera just delivered for cloud cost allocation. Plus, they've added automatic Azure EA credit display and UI-based bill splitting for MSPs. It's like having a smart cash register that automatically applies coupons and splits bills. Pure magic. Here's what's got me absolutely fired up about this week's news. AI isn't just a buzzword anymore. It's becoming the secret ingredient that makes everything else work better. Cloud Zero's embedding AI recommendations into workflows. North Cloud is using AI for real-time optimization. And even Wiz is pushing AI-driven anomaly detection in their latest guides. The pattern is clear: cloud cost warriors. The tools are getting smarter, faster, and more integrated into how we actually work. No more switching between 17 different dashboards to figure out why your bill exploded. If you've ever tried to manually track down a cost spike across multiple teams and projects, you know the pain. These new tools are solving that exact problem by bringing the insights directly to where decisions get made. It's like having a kitchen timer that doesn't just buzz when something's done. It tells you exactly what needs attention and how to fix it. All right, cloud cost warriors, that news got my optimization appetite fired up. Now it's time for our Cloud Cost Chef special. We're serving up the hottest optimization principles that align perfectly with this week's AI-powered theme. Let's get these costs lean and mean. Here's what top teams are doing to keep their cloud costs lean and mean. And trust me, these recipes are absolutely delicious. First up, master your tagging game. Think of resource tagging like organizing your spice rack. When everything's properly labeled, you can find what you need instantly and avoid buying duplicates. Implement policy as code to enforce consistent tagging across your entire infrastructure. This isn't just about organization. Teams that nail their tagging see 10 to 20% cost savings just from improved accountability. It's like having a well-organized kitchen where nothing gets wasted. Second, right size like a pro chef. Just like you wouldn't use a massive stock pot to boil a single egg, you shouldn't run oversized instances for lightweight workloads. Use your cloud provider's right-sizing tools to analyze actual usage patterns and resize accordingly. Teams are seeing 15 to 40% savings here. That's serious money. Remember, it's better to right-size first, then optimize second. Third, embrace your spot and reserved instance strategy. This is like buying ingredients in bulk when you know you'll use them, and shopping the clearance section for one-time experiments. Use reserved instances for your steady, predictable workloads. Think of them as your staple ingredients. Then leverage spot instances for fault-tolerant jobs like data processing or machine learning training. Teams are seeing up to 75% savings with this approach. Fourth, automate the boring stuff. Set up budget alerts and anomaly detection. Automation is your best sous chef. Think of it as having a kitchen timer that not only tells you when something's ready, but also warns you before it burns. This prevents those surprise $10,000 bills that make your CFO's eye twitch. Ready to get cooking? Here's how to implement these principles without breaking a sweat. Start with the low-hanging fruit. Schedule regular audits to identify unused resources. You can implement automated shutdown scripts for development environments in under an hour, and that alone can save 60 to 66% on those resources. Use the AI-powered tools we just talked about, CloudZero's new optimized feature, North Cloud's platform, or even AWS's native cost optimization hub. These tools are like having a master chef looking over your shoulder, pointing out exactly what needs attention. Make it workflow native. Don't create another dashboard that nobody looks at. Embed cost notifications directly into Slack, set up Jira tickets for optimization tasks, and make cost awareness part of your regular development process. Before we wrap up, here are your rapid-fire optimization tips that you can implement today. Monitor before you migrate. Know your baseline costs before making changes. Automate policy enforcement. Let computers handle the boring compliance stuff. Schedule shutdowns for non-production environments. Why pay for idle development servers overnight? And remember, visibility beats optimization every time. You can't optimize what you can't see. And that's a wrap on the very first episode of CloudCostChefs. What a way to kick off this podcast. We've served up some seriously hot news about AI-powered optimization, massive funding rounds, and optimization principles that'll keep your cloud costs lean and mean. Here's what you can expect from CloudCostChefs every week. We'll bring you the latest industry news that actually matters, translate complex optimization strategies into actionable recipes you can implement immediately, and keep you ahead of the curve in this rapidly evolving cloud cost landscape. Remember, cloud cost warriors, optimization isn't a one-time recipe. It's an ongoing feast of continuous improvement. Keep experimenting, keep measuring, and keep those costs in check. Want more delicious cloud cost optimization recipes and to join our growing community of cost warriors? Head over to CloudCostChefs.com for detailed implementation guides and exclusive content that'll make you the master chef of cloud cost optimization. Thanks for joining me for this inaugural episode. Until next time, keep those costs sizzling and those savings piling up. This is CloudCostChefs, signing off.